Hey, if you are using the Nothing Ear 2 but one of your earbuds is actually not working, let's say that the left one is actually not working, so you try to listen music but you cannot hear anything. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to disconnect them from the application. So you have to click here, select your Nothing Ear 2, then click on the right upper corner, scroll down and select to forget the device. Now you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, close it and charge for like 5 minutes. Next, you have to open it and you have to click and hold on this side button until this indicator starts blinking red. So it will take around 5 to 6 seconds of holding this button. There we go. And now when it goes white one more time, you have to just release this button and keep that case open. Now you can just click here one more time in the Nothing X application, or you can simply go into the boot settings and click to pair new device. Now select your Nothing Ear 2 from the list, click to set up this device, accept the pairing, and now you can just click next, and now you can try if it actually works. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.